Today in this video I show you how to get free moving wallpapers on iPhone. For this you have to download Wallpapers live wallpaper app from App Store. You can search for this app and download it. After downloading you have to open it. Now if you get this page, then you have to click on cross icon and open live wallpapers. Now you will get all these live wallpapers for free. Open the wallpaper you want, click on this download icon, select get for free. Now you have to watch ads to download live wallpaper. After watching ads, wallpaper will download. Now if you go back, open notification panel, press and hold on your screen, slide current wallpaper, tap on add new, select photos, take your live wallpaper. Make sure you have this live icon enabled so that the moving wallpaper works. Now if you click on add, select set as pair, your live wallpaper will add like this. So this is how you can get free moving wallpapers on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.